Good work getting here so fast. This mission has top priority. Target, 𝗂𝐶𝐵. You are to locate him and bring him out for debriefing. 𝗂𝐶 is our only link with the heist of the warhead.
Yeah. I need to know one thing. Where he is.
𝗂𝐶 is held at a military airfield. The whole area has excellent air defenses. We have to place you some distance from the target until those defenses are disabled.
What? Is transport waiting?
You'll cover the ground using locally resourced transportation assets.
You mean I have to steal something?
Exactly. You will travel to the next goods yard. There, you will resource transportation. The whole operation is simple.
There are 3 stages. 1. Acquire transportation assets. 2. Disable air defenses. 3. Find 𝗂𝐶 and extract him for debriefing. Even
Even a grunt like me can follow it. I see.
that's the best we have.
Anya, just how did you track 𝗂𝐶 down?
We traced 𝗂𝐶's call to his apartment, right? Local agents raided it and found photos of 𝗂𝐶 and his mobile number. So we call it and triangulated the coordinates. The mobile is located at a military airfield. That's where 𝗂𝐶 is. That's our primary target.
Fine. Assuming he's there.
You must make your way through the goods yard to the truck. Avoid the cameras at all cost. If you alert the security, you'll have the entire base zeroing in on your position. Get to the truck. This is your objective on the mission. Reach it and steal it. I want this mission to be brief and above all quiet. Get to work, Jones.